Hello and welcome. This video will discuss how to access WKU Libraries databases. If at any time you need more help, make an appointment with the librarian who covers your subject, or call, email, or chat with the library. You can also visit us in person at the reference desk. Before we discuss how to access library databases, it is important to define what a database is. So, what is a database? A library database is an electronic catalog and digital warehouse for published materials. These materials most commonly include journal, newspaper, and magazine articles. Often, other items such as books, videos, and audio files are included as well. Databases are highly organized and allow one to search for information on a topic by keyword, subject, author, title, or phrase. Most databases at WKU provide access to full text content, which means that you will find entire articles available, not just summaries or citations of articles. To access WKU Libraries' list of databases, visit the library homepage at wku.edu/library and click on the Databases link found below the search bar in the middle of the page. This is what our database directory looks like. If you know the name of the specific database you want to use, you can either search for it using the search bar on the top right of the page, or look for it alphabetically by clicking on a letter. This page also includes a list of popular databases on the right side of the page, which are the ones most commonly used by WKU students. To get suggestions on which database to use, click on the All Subjects drop-down menu on the top left of the page. Then, select which subject most closely matches your research topic or course. As an example, I selected economics as a subject. Shown on the screen are the suggested databases for economics research. Pay special attention to the highlighted resources titled Best Bets, as they were chosen by librarians to be the best resources. Click on any of the database links to be taken directly to the database. These links will give you full access both on and off campus. Lastly, note that the subject list will also provide you with the name and contact information for the librarian who covers your subject, who you should contact if you have any questions. For more resources to help with your research, visit libguides.wku.edu/tutorials or click on Tutorials and How-Tos under Resources on the library's homepage. This page has links to videos, guides, and step-by-step tutorials on a variety of topics.